video.
Look at our sitting in here.
People, see what I go on the sun there? I fry some fish without a dough on a cold stove. So you soon when I drop in them now, I just burn some garlic and make the oil get hot up for it. Yeah man, so you soon when I drop them in. Short video. Yes speed, so we drop them in the pot and the video fry down nice. And I can remember the name of them fish but I know them are go nice, you know. Yeah man, then they just fry it down man, to zoom in and show you how I go on. Yeah. Some more time. If you have the cold stove, you have to light up in more time, you know. Yeah man, look at it. Light up the cold stove more time man and come out of the kitchen. Because especially not fried fish. Fish them pop up a whole heap of oil more time and mess up in the kitchen. So we're there and Sunday I fry some fish. And we'll just fry them and then we'll go cook them down. Yeah man. We'll turn them now. You see if that one I can turn. Yeah. See me look. Yeah. See how them look, peeps? Yeah. Be careful enough, cause I'll pop up on you, you know. Let me see how hold the camera and turn them at the same time. Come on, they look good. They look good, peeps. They look good. Yeah, man, so maybe I overhead view from them. Yeah, so this is just a short video. You know, so we done this now, as we say, but stew them down, yeah man. So, let's more. Alright peeps, so with the inside you know, so I just done fry them and I go cook them down you know. But as I say, I want like a short video, you understand? I know nothing long. I remember say I'm not really a cooking channel, so I'm just show you what I go on. So yeah man, I'll cook them down. So bless upon yourself and happy Sunday, yeah? Big up.